Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel mootechie. This is class 9, our final session for unit 4 on sterilization. Today we'll be discussing a crucial aspect that ensures the longevity and reliability of all the equipment we've studied, the care and maintenance of sterilizers. Proper care and maintenance are fundamental to successful and safe operation. Let's go through the key points. First and foremost, only milk of the highest quality must be accepted for processing. Starting with a poor quality raw material can lead to increased fouling and potential sterilization failures. Electrical failures should be avoided as they can disrupt the precise time temperature profiles required for sterility, potentially leading to non-sterile product or damage to the equipment. Strict precautions for both plant hygiene and personal hygiene must be observed at all times. This is essential to prevent microbial contamination. Tests must be carried out periodically to verify plant hygiene. If any issues are found, corrective measures should be initiated immediately to maintain the sterility of the system. Moving on to the equipment itself, care must be taken to consistently maintain the correct operative temperatures and pressures within the heat exchangers. Any deviation can compromise the process. Because UHT processing involves high temperatures, special gaskets are required. For instance, nitrile rubber gaskets are needed to withstand temperatures up to 138 degrees Celsius. New methods of cleaning and new cleaning solutions are constantly being developed to ensure complete and effective removal of deposits, especially in the critical heating sections where fouling occurs most. Finally, most modern plants use a clean-in-place or CIP system. This allows for automatic cleaning operations that are synchronized with the overall automation of the plant, ensuring consistent and thorough cleaning without the need for manual disassembly. Thank you for joining this entire unit on sterilization. We've covered everything from the basic principles and calculations to the various types of equipment and their operation. Proper care and maintenance are the final essential links that ensure these sophisticated systems produce safe, high-quality dairy products day after day. We hope this series has been highly informative for you.